Have you ever had a Cash App payment mysteriously fail right when you needed it most? The truth is, how much money you can receive depends entirely on whether your account is verified. If your account is unverified, you face a strict cap of $1,000 within any rolling 30-day period. Once you hit that threshold, incoming transfers simply bounce. But here is where it trips people up. It is a rolling window, not a calendar month reset. Every transaction counts against the previous 30 days of your activity, meaning you have to wait for older payments to age out before you can receive more. Fortunately, verifying your identity with your basic personal information completely removes this peer-to-peer receiving limit, allowing you to accept unlimited funds from other users. Keep in mind that direct deposits follow separate rules with higher caps, up to $25,000 per transaction. If you want to avoid unexpected blocks and keep your account running smoothly, verification is the key step you cannot afford to skip.